My name is Paresh Maniyar. I am Deputy General Manager, Admission and looking after the various kind of admission for all the courses. Indus University is more than 13 years, and since 13 years or since 2008, I have been looking after the admission and counseling of the students for the various programs and various courses along with my team. There are various kinds of admissions like management quota, state quota, NRI quota, Gulf quota as well as international admissions. So I handle all kind of admissions and I visited the countries like Dubai and Kuwait for the same purpose. Out of my experience, I would like to give some tip to the student for the selection of courses. I would recommend that first principle of selection of courses should be that you should only select the courses for which you have a passion or for which you are liking. Do not come under the peer pressure or do not select the courses by the pressure of your relatives or parents. And second principle is that among the various courses you get so many other options also. So go for the options which fascinates you more or for which you have a lot of liking. Like say, for example, I would say if you have a fascination or a liking for development of software or coding, then instead of selecting the branch of computer engineering, you should select the branch of information technology. After that, after selection of your course in your mind, you should also ensure that you should take all the eligibility exams declared by the regulatory bodies and achieve the good scores in that. Also do the ACPC or Admission Committee for Professional Courses registration, because of which your admission process through ACPC becomes very easy. Without registration, you cannot take the part of the ACPC selection process. Now, second part I would like to say that how to select the college. Once you have decided the course, you should go for the selection of college or the university. So I would suggest that first you study the website of the university or the college, go through the various courses they offer or go through the courses for which you are interested, go through the list of the faculties available, go through the list of the facilities available also in the college, and what are the other activities and facilities university is offering for your 360-degree holistic development. Secondly, after this studying the website, you should physically visit the college campus or the university campus, go to the campus, meet the teachers of the courses for which you are interested or the head of the department of the courses for which you are interested. Try to understand them, what do you learn in that course and what will be the ultimate learning outcome after the 4 years or after the 3 years or at the end of the course for which you want to make the career. Also visit the laboratory of the university and see how their very well updated laboratories are available. Also meet training and placement officer and try to understand from them what is the level of placement done, what are the packages open and what kind of companies or what are the companies which are coming to the campus for the selection of the students, because that will play a major role in the development of your career. And after that, I would also suggest to meet some of the existing students of the college who are in the higher standard like the second year, third year, fourth year. So you can understand from them what is the real environment of the institute and how the education imparted in that institution.